Your ZZ stems are drooping or falling over. Let's find out what's going wrong and what you can do to fix them. We know ZZ plants as shade lovers. Although they can tolerate lower light levels, they thrive better when you give them bright indirect light. They take time to adjust from the bright lights they have been grown under in the plant nurseries directly from above. We bring them indoors in low light. When they are just with lighting in our homes, their stems might droop. Giving them more light during this time can help them adjust better. It's possible that the plant is just getting used to its new environment. Sometimes plants droop or lose leaves as they adjust to changes. This is typically because of insufficient light exposure. They are probably reaching out for more light. If your plant is not getting enough light, it might be trying to reach for more light by stretching itself. If you notice the drooping, stretching, or growing longer or leggy, it's a sign that the plant may need more light. Insufficient light can cause weak growth and drooping stems. Consider moving the plant to a location with more light, but avoid direct sunlight. And if there are too many plants in one pot, it can make it feel crowded. It might be better to divide them into separate pots or transfer them to a larger pot for better growth. If the pot is too small, the roots become cramped, leading to weak growth and drooping stems. Repot the ZZ plant to a slightly larger pot, 1 inch or 2 inches larger pot, 1 or 2 inches larger pot. It can provide more space for root growth. And there is one more thing you should look for, that if there are any rotting problem or not. If your ZZ plant's roots are rotting, it means your plant's roots are getting mushy and black because they are too wet. This happens if you water it too much or the soil doesn't let water drain away. Also, light plays a very important role here. If light isn't enough, it's gonna take more time to dry out. So keep that in mind. And to fix it, let the soil dry out between waterings and make sure the pot has good drainage. Cut off any mushy parts to keep the plant healthy. If there is a stem that's not completely rotten, trim the rotten part and propagate it. Here is how you can propagate it. Take a stem cutting about 4 to 6 inches long. Place the cutting in a glass of water, ensuring that at least one node is submerged. Change the water every week to keep it fresh. Put the container in a bright, indirect light location, like a windowsill is fine. Wait for roots to grow, which may take a few weeks. Once roots are around 1 to 2 inches long, transplant the cutting into well-draining and light soil. If your plants are really healthy and doing well, don't stress about them. As they grow bigger, their leaves might start to droop more, which is normal as they get older. The new leaves start out straight but can bend down as they age. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.